Imagine being at this huge event at the Jubilee House, where everything is colorful and buzzing with excitement. And in the middle of all this excitement stands Stevie Wonder, the music legend with the biggest smile on his face. He is finally getting something he has wanted for more than 50 years, to become a citizen of Ghana. It is not just a big deal for him, but for everyone there. This moment is bursting with emotions. There is happiness, pride, and a feeling that something really important is happening. It's like a special chapter in Stevie Wonder's life story, celebrating his strong connection to Africa. And guess what? You're about to hear all the exciting details. Before we delve into the substantive content, we cordially invite you to become a valued member of our community by subscribing to our newly established The African Web channel. Ensure you enable notifications by clicking on the bell icon to stay informed about our latest updates and offerings.
God, since a little boy, I always believed in my heart that there was nothing impossible with the Spirit of the Most High, our God. And for years, since about 1972, I've talked about coming to Ghana to work with the Tsetse fly and sleeping blindness. I talked about it when I had my Project Out talking book and in the visions. I've talked about Ghana throughout my years. And for now, over 50 years, I've talked about being a citizen in this country. The truth is, I'm committed to.
Now let's dive into this amazing journey with Stevie Wonder. Stevie Wonder's decision to become a citizen of Ghana was not a spur-of-the-moment choice. It was a carefully considered decision that had been brewing in his mind for quite some time. His motivation stemmed from a deep desire for a brighter future, one that offered respite from the challenges and turmoil he witnessed in his home country, the US. This sentiment was beautifully articulated during an interview with Oprah Winfrey in 2021, where he expressed his heartfelt wish to see the nation smile again. In essence, Stevie Wonder yearned for a society where happiness and harmony prevailed, where people embraced kindness and understanding. He saw Ghana as a beacon of hope, a place where such ideals could be realized. His decision to become a citizen of Ghana was not merely a personal choice. It was a testament to his unwavering commitment to fostering positive change and spreading love and unity wherever he went.
When I say I, the Mr. Stevie Wonder, you please mention your name. So I,
Steve Morris,
swear solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Ghana, and I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. So help me God. Congratulations, sir.
By taking this significant step, Stevie Wonder exemplified his profound dedication to making the world a better place, one filled with smiles and compassion. It's a testament to his enduring belief in the transformative power of unity and his unwavering resolve to be a catalyst for positive change. Stevie Wonder was born in Michigan as Stevland Hardaway Morris. Even when he was just a kid, he showed an incredible talent for music. He could play the piano, drums, and harmonica with such skill that it left people amazed. As he grew up, he did not just stick to one style of music. He explored different genres like R&B, pop, soul, and jazz. And boy, did he make his mark. He's won an incredible 25 Grammy Awards, which is like the biggest honor in the music world. It just goes to show how much his music has touched people's hearts and inspired others.
First of all, the certificate of registration as a citizen of Ghana. This is it. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. And to complete the documentation, I've also done passports for you as well.
The ceremony was really special, filled with happiness and excitement. Stevie Wonder was there, surrounded by his family and friends, as well as important people from Ghana. He took the oath of allegiance, which is like a promise to be loyal to Ghana. This was a big moment because it showed that he was now officially part of Ghanaian society. Then the president of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, gave Stevie Wonder a certificate of citizenship and a Ghanaian passport. It was like saying, "Welcome Stevie, you're one of us now." This marked the start of a new chapter in Stevie Wonder's life, where he could call Ghana his home. It was a moment filled with hope and promise for the future. Feeling deeply moved by the significance of the moment, Stevie Wonder could not help but express his heartfelt gratitude to President Akufo-Addo and the warm-hearted people of Ghana. With tears of joy glistening in his eyes, he spoke passionately about the importance of unity and understanding in our world today.
Let me welcome you all to Jubilee House, the seat of our nation's presidency. I stand before you today to preside over a momentous ceremony, the conferment of Ghanaian citizenship upon the legendary musician, humanitarian, and global icon, Stevie Wonder. I'm glad he has decided to make Ghana his home and thereby join several generations of African diasporans who committed their lives to us. Missionaries, policemen, lawyers, doctors, health workers, writers, artists, musicians, and the likes of George Padmore, close associate of our first president, Kwame Nkrumah.
In his emotional speech, he emphasized how crucial it is for people to come together, to stand side by side, and to truly listen to one another. He painted a vivid picture of a world where differences are celebrated, where kindness and empathy reign supreme. As his words filled the air, they resonated deeply within the hearts of all those present, echoing a profound sentiment of hope and optimism for the future. It was as if his message had the power to uplift spirits and ignite a flame of unity that would continue to burn bright long after the ceremony had ended. As we reflect on Stevie Wonder's remarkable journey, let's ask ourselves, what does his decision to become a Ghanaian citizen teach us about unity and solidarity? How can we harness the power of music to transcend boundaries and bring people together in our own lives? If you found Stevie Wonder's story inspiring, be sure to show your support by liking, sharing, and commenting below. And do not miss out on future uplifting stories by subscribing to our channel. Together, let's celebrate diversity and the connections that bind us all. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us.